Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. So today I'm going to discuss about one fascinating question, which is about what is gravity. It is one of the most fundamental force in the universe. Even today, physics don't have any complete answer for this. So far over the centuries, we have been told that gravity is not really a force. According to Einstein, it's a curvature of space-time. Means an object bends space-time and everything else simply follows this curvature. And for the countless observation, the explanation worked beautifully. But there is one huge problem, a very big problem. Imagine a massive star reach to end of its life. It's run out of fuel and begin collapsing under its own gravity. Now, according to the Einstein Journal Theory of Relativity, its collapse continues until the star becomes black hole. Now, everything makes sense up to this day. But Einstein equation says something strange. The collapse never actually stops. The star keeps shrinking forever until all of its mass is compressed into a single point with infinite density. A point with no size, no length, no width, and no volume. This mysterious point is called singularity. Now, think about that for a moment. How can the three-dimensional star simply become a dimensionless point? At this stage, space-time becomes infinite chord. At every equation, we know breakdown. In simple words, physics break down in this point. So, that's why many physicists believe singularity are not real objects. Instead, they are a sign that our current theory has reached to its limit. And that's where quantum physics enter in this picture. Now, let me clear your concept something by giving an example of quantum physics. Some quantum gravity models suggest that gravity may not remain attractive force forever. At very tiny distance, gravity could actually become repulsive. So if this statement is true, then a collapsing star would never reach to infinite density. Instead of collapsing, it would eventually stop. The star would bounce, and rather than ending in a singularity, the black hole could be transformed into something even stranger, which we call a white hole. So, unlike a black hole where nothing can escape, the white hole would be an object in this space where nothing could enter. No one has observed any white hole in this universe, but mathematically it's a fascinating possibility that maybe a white hole exists in this universe. If we just try to understand gravity by modern understanding, another idea is about string theory, which suggests that gravity may not even belong entirely to our universe. It proposed that gravity could be leaking into our three-dimensional world from the higher dimension that we cannot directly see. If that's true, then gravity is not just a bending of space-time. It could be the first clue that our universe is far larger and far stranger than we ever imagined. So, what is gravity? A force, a curvature of space-time, a quantum effect, or evidence of hidden dimensions? The honest answer is still we don't know. And perhaps the greater mystery is not gravity itself, it's what gravity is trying to tell us about the true nature of reality. I think gravity is not just force, not space or time. They tell us something beyond our imagination.